Okay, this is crazy. We were just standing here, and this huge wave came, and we had to jump up on this thing. This is a parking lot. My house is right behind there. Oh my god! What the hell was that? Panic. Panic. The Lizzo is panicking.
Okay.
Now we're trapped. We seriously had to jump up on this thing. Oh my god. Crazy. Here comes another one. OMG, OMG. FTO. FTO.
Yeah, we're not going to do that.
Great. Now we're trapped. Well,
we can go this way. We're not gonna go
well, the water is kind of receding there. Well, I guess we could just stand here for a while.
Damn.
Oh my god, the water just came up to the... That was crazy.